Alright, so welcome to this Scratch tutorial. Last class we discussed briefly how you all problem solved and were able to problem solve using Scratch Junior, and then we ended with Scratch. I asked you all to start off by sending your sprite to specific locations in the Scratch platform. So these specific coordinates, I asked you all to send them over here, over there, in a specific Scratch platform, and then I asked you all to draw a line. And you all handled that so well that now I'm asking you all to draw a square and a triangle based off of these exact specific coordinates that I have right here, and I will email them to you in an attachment, and you'll be able to see them much more clear than you are now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is sign in. We'll go to scratch.mit.edu and sign in. Username jbaymaray7, and the password is Maray and then the number 7. So go ahead and sign in. Not now. Alright, so once you're in, go to create. And once you hit that, the first thing you need to do is title your project. And the title of your project should be your first name and 8 comp. Okay, go ahead and save that. Alright, so once you do that, you might want to do a couple things. You might want to delete your sprite, which is right here, or you might want to choose a sprite from the library, paint a new sprite, upload sprite from a file, or you can take a picture and use your picture as a sprite. Alright, so that's right here. Now, remember, Scratch operates with X and Y coordinates. Now, as you can see, my cursor, as I drag it, the X and Y coordinates change wherever my cursor goes, and if I go to the middle, the X and Y coordinates, they get closer to 0. Okay? For this project, you're going to need to operate within the events command, where you see the green flag, just like in Scratch Junior, and a bunch of other start buttons. So let's consider these start buttons to simplify it. So let's go ahead and drag that over, since we are going to need to operate within the events command and our code needs a start button. You also need the motions command, so you can move 10 steps, turn right 15 degrees, point your sprite in a specific direction, right, left, up, down, okay? Or you can go and send your sprite to a specific location, as we've practiced already. So let's go ahead and drag that over too, since we're going to need to do that for this project. You can also adjust any of these, as you can see, and what you can do by doing that is make your sprite go as fast as you want it to go or as slow as you want it to go. Okay? So you're also going to need the pin command for this project, where you have clear, pin down, pin up. You can change the pin color. You can change the pin size. Okay? So these are the 3 commands that you are going to need for this project. The rest of the commands in Sprite should be considered as additions to the main elements needed to make the program run. Okay? Just like in any language, you have the main elements of it that are necessary for it to run, and then you also have additions that fill it in. Okay? Now, for this project, again, you are making your square and drawing your shapes based off of the coordinates that you see on your screen. And if you do it right, once you run your code, and your code should look something like this, if not exactly like this.